How to make an appointment for immigration fingerprints just from your browser or offline too. You have to visit official UAE government portal and download UAE Pass application on your device. Register an account or log into your existing account if you have already. Navigate to the Emirates ID section and select book an appointment. Then the step 4 is choose the type of Emirates ID service you require and select a convenient date and time for your biometric appointment. Confirm your appointment details and provide your personal information such as your name, your Gmail address or anything else personal information. Receive a confirmation via your email or SMS. On the day of appointment, arrive at the designated Emirates ID Biometrics Center at least 10 minutes prior to your scheduled time so that you do not miss any of your appointment you have booked. Bring along all documents such as your ID, application form, passport, and residential visa. Complete your biometric appointment, which typically involves providing you fingerprint and facial screenshot of your face. Then you will receive your Emirates ID card within a week, either by post or collecting it from the designated Emirate Disturbance Center. Thank you so much for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel.